everyone, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I would like to introduce you to the Marilyn wallet. This is such a cute little wallet. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. So on the top here we have a zipper pocket right along the top for easy access for coins or what have you. It's closed with a turn lock. And when you open it up, it opens it nice and flat. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 10 card slots. You have an ID pocket, which is one of the card slots. And you also have a little pen holder here. And then the 2 slip pockets here. It is a nice small wallet that holds an awful lot. And you can get it made to match any of the bags that you order as well. And you'll receive $10 off of the wallet. Anyways, if you would like to place an order for one of these wallets, you know what to do. All of my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, I have a tutorial on this one. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Bye.